Her admirers call her the Iron Lady of the Congress. Her detractors hesitate to praise her, but whatever it is, Advocate Pratima Coutinho, the Goa Mahila Congress chief, is the firebrand of Goa and doesn't hesitate to take on the political bigwigs of Goa. This is Maria DaCosta, and you're going to watch Pratima Coutinho.
Hello friends, I'm Advocate Pratima Coutinho, the Mahila Congress President of Goa, and you guys are watching me on Maria's My Goa, My India channel.
Thanks,
Yes, ma'am.
Pratima, for doing this interview.
Yes.
Okay, first tell me about your journey.
Journey is something like I am a woman, I'm a girl who has come from not a political family background. Mazo azo or mazo shepai or mazo bapu politics and nashillo. We are three daughters and I was like a tomboy in the house. And at the age of 18, from the time in my childhood, Srimati Indira Gandhi was my idol. She was considered as the Iron Lady. And from there I took up liking for social work and politically. When I was 18, I went on and I told my father that I'm interested in joining the Congress party organization. So my father was like, "Arey Baba beta, but you have to do your graduation. You have certain aspirations. You want to complete your law. So you think about it because it's not that easy." So Magir, I went on. I filled a membership form, and let me tell you, I started at the age of 18 as just an ordinary booth member. From there, I went and became the block member. And Magir, later, now you will believe me, it's been like 20 to 23 years I've completed in Congress party and I've come from the grassroots. एक केडरांतल्यान आयिल्ले भुरगें हांव आनी दॅट इज वॉट म्हाका अभिमान दिसता आय फील दॅट आय प्रूव्ड from block I went and became the general secretary, then I was in the South district, then I went on into the youth congress state committee. I became the legal cell legal cell president because I had done my law. And Magir, when I had gone to Hyderabad for Aam Aadmi Ka Sipahi, when Rahul Gandhi was the general secretary of the party, he somehow he saw that there's something in this woman, there's something in this girl, and he gave me an opportunity. He sent a letter to the president saying that she should be made the state vice president आणि माझे भाग्य ते. And then after say 2 years in the year 2010, Rahul Gandhi came up with a system that it should not be election system. It should not be selection system. It should be election system. So selection कित्याक? Because in the past, if you have seen youth president कोणाक जावपाक चान्स मेळटालो, ज्यांचे बापूय कोण पॉलिटिशियन आसा, कोणचे बापूय मिनिस्टर आसा, कोणाचे बापूय CM आसा तांकां, आनी आमी जे केडरांतल्यान ग्रास रुटांतल्यान जी भुरगीं वयर आयलीं ते आमकां चान्स मेळनाशिल्लो. कित्याक एक इन्फ्लुएन्स जे आशिल्लें पॉलिटिकल गॉडफादराचें. You had to be a child of a political person, or you had to have that lot of money. We had the capacity, we had the caliber. So I said, in Goa, there's never been a Mahila, youth Congress president as a woman. चली मनीस म्हणटा ते केन्नाच youth president जावना. We had leaders, like Movin Gudino, we had Vishnu Surya Wagh, who became the youth president. We had Vijay Sardesai, who became the youth president. We had Girish Chodankar, we had Sankalp Amonkar. I said, why not give a try when I worked? And I had worked. So I said, let my work speak for it. And I went in, filled a form. Form was just hardly 25 rupees. I got elected. Then it was like a state committee elections where, believe me, Maria, it was like, if I do it, if people have reposed their faith in me, they think I have done work, social work केला, social causes लागून इतली वर्सां हांव मेला जाल्यार, it is up to the youth. And it was a big time victory. Yes, Goa had its first youth congress president as Pratima Coutinho. And from there, it was the municipality elections. Again, I would like to say about Congress party that it was because of Rajiv Gandhi ji, जेणे आमकां चली मनशांनी बायलांकनी 33% रिजर्वेशन दवरलें इन पंचायत, मुन्सिपालिटीज, जिल्लास आनी आमचो वॉर्ड लेडीज वॉर्ड जाल्लो. So I said, why not give a try? Because why not a woman in municipality? And there also I came with a thumping majority. Still, I would like to, till today, I would give that credit to the voters of Kolmorod people. म्हाका खूब वोटांनी तेणी जिखून हाडलें. And from there, my political journey continued. I became the vice chairperson, elected vice chairperson of Margao municipality. द मार्केट चेअरमॅन जालें हांव. मार्केटान कितले तरी एनकरेजमेंट तुमी पळयलां आसतलें, जे गोंयकारांक न्ही कुशीन घालून भायलांक न्ही, भायल्या लोकांक न्ही गांधी मार्केटांत एक प्लेस आशिल्लो आनी आमच्यो गोंयच्यो ज्यो बायल्यो आसतात त्यो त्रास काडून भाजयो फळां विकतात तांकां बाबड्याक रस्त्यार विकपाक पडटालें फुलां तरकाऱ्यो बी तांकां हांवें खंय तरी झगडून एक सुवात दिली. दॅट वॉज माय अचिवमेंट आय फील. From there, I became the spokesperson of the Congress party. And then, after my term of Youth Congress president got over, I was been placed as the general secretary of the PCC. आणि मागीर कार्य करता 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 7th of July 2 years back, in the year 2017, again Rahul Gandhi thought that Mahila Congress somewhere is has to be activated, and all know that from there on till date, I have not looked, I have not turned behind. माझे कार्य चालूच आसा, काम करत आसा. जावं ते कितले तरी एज्युटेशन आमी केल्यात, मॉलेस्टेशन कितले केसीस आमी हे केल्यात, रेप केसीस कोणाचे जाता, डोमेस्टीक वायलन्स खंय जाता, खंयची चली मनीस वीक खावून डावरीक लागून मेल्या. We have taken so many agitations that I feel proud to say in last 2 years term we have taken around 87 to 90 agitations where they are on YouTube. The whole of world has seen that. So I feel woman empowerment is somewhere which has taken place, and I feel nice. It's there. So this is my journey. And till date I am sitting. I have completed my 2 years as Mahila Congress chief, and my work has continued and it will continue for the people of Goa.
The only Congress politician who seems very active, is it because of careful marketing or is it because the others are not doing enough?
See, Maria, here I would like to tell you that it's as I am given the responsibility of the president, of being the president of Mahila Congress as an individual, I am doing my duty. माझे कार्य आसा तें हांव करता. आनी मार्केटींग कोणाक जाय पडटा, जे मनशाक ब्रँड आसना तेका. म्हाका आयज सांगपाक दिसता की आख्खे सबंद गोंयचो लोक प्रतिमा कुतिनो कोण म्हणटा तें एक पॅराशूट न्ही, तेणी सगळ्यांनी पळयलां फ्रॉम द यूथ डेज. They have seen me grooming as a woman. Today, they have seen me last 23 years. So I feel when a person is on ground, jenna manis groundar काम करता, is connected to the grassroots, you don't need marketing for that. There are two types of marketing. One म्हणटा ते you do work on the ground, लोकांचे कड पळय, लोकांचे प्रॉब्लेम्स पळय, इश्यूज घेवन रस्त्यार तांचे बरोबर झगडून तांकां न्याय दिवपाचे, ते एक मार्केटिंग असता. आणि दुसरे भाशेन मार्केटिंग असता सोशल मिडियाचेर आपलेच व्हिडिओ काढून खंय तरी फेसबुकार अपलोड करून. सो दॅट इज online marketing, and this is ground marketing. So I feel, and as you've asked me about those who are active and those who are not active, you said that I am active and others are not active. I think I'll leave it to them. It is their say. But as I have been given this responsibility, I have continued and I will continue to serve the people of Goa and Goans.
You have criticized the 10 MLAs who have left the Congress. Do you still feel the same?
See, I feel in politics, you cannot predict what will happen tomorrow. फाल्यां कितें जातलें तें कोणाक सांगपाक जायना. पूण म्हाजे कितें आशिल्ले विचार, that once see, people have reposed their votes, their faith. ते वोट कोणाक मारिल्लो, 10 जाण वचूं फाल्यां 20 जाण वचूं, पूण म्हाजें पर्सनल व्यू अशें की पीपल हॅड थॉट दॅट तेणी चिटिल्लें. दे वर पार्टीज, बीजेपी आशिल्ली, काँग्रेस आशिल्ली, रिजनल पार्टीज आशिल्ली. वाय दे वोटेड फॉर काँग्रेस? See, it's a secret ballot, They had that faith that na Congress कितें करतली, काँग्रेसच जाय, ते हाताक वोट मारिल्लो. So today maybe they should have introspect करपाक जाय that power and position is not everything. Power and position is not everything. Ideology also matters in life. Something called your loyalty matters in life. You can always be in the opposition. People understand सरकार तांचो आसा, पूण you can always be in the opposition and fight for the people. Now we are in opposition for so many years, but we have not gone. So I feel like, well, I wish them luck. They're saying they're gone for development. I wish them luck, and I hope that they really do good work, so that it's up to the people to judge. And today in Goa, people म्हणतात गोंयकार म्हणतात ते पिशेन, गोंयकार म्हणतात ते बरे हुशार. So let people, the ball is in people's court.
Were you offered any time to join any party?
Yeah, I had, and I had been still. I'm been offered by national parties. I will never deny that, because I'm a straightforward person. आणि सांगू शकता की when I was denied the Congress ticket, the parliament ticket in South Goa, there were two parties, okay, national parties who came to me and offered me a very good. म्हाका बरें सांगलें तेणी की पळय तुवें इतलें काम केलें, तूं कितें प्रति यू नो हाव इट इज,
Yeah.
सो यू नीड टू बी देर एंड वी कॅन प्रमोट यू, आनी म्हाका ऑफर केल्लें. बट समवेअर एज आय हॅव सेड, काँग्रेस रन्स इन माय ब्लड, आनी I said like that was a tough decision, but I said no. I have to stay. I have to stand with my party. I have to work for the one who's given ticket. And future, future will see what has to be done. Because end of the day, it is people who judge you. And above people, there is somebody called God. So I फाल्यां पोजिशन घेतलें, पावरांत आसलें, पूण हांव हॅप्पी आसपाक जाय न्ही. हांवें लोकांक फेस करपाक जाय न्ही. हांवें देवाक आन्सर करपाक जाय न्ही. एम आय रायट?
Yeah.
फाल्यां आवय जाणटी जाली म्हणून आवयक सोडपाक जायना न्ही. आवय जाली जाणटी, ती बेडीर पडली पूण ते आवयन कितें केलां आमच्या खातीर, कशी आशिल्ली आमचे बरोबर, आमकां कशें व्हड केलां. सो आय फील लायक दॅट. आय गीव सम, आय फील ऑफकोर्स इट इज द कॅलिबर कॅपेसिटी, बट आय गीव इवन क्रेडीट टू माय काँग्रेस पार्टी. It means a lot. For me, hand means a lot. So that's it.
Congress seems to be totally wiped out at the center and state. What is your take on it?
ती आतां पळय हांव एक सांगूंक सोदतां की यू कॅन लीड द हॉर्स टू वॉटर, ओके, बट यू कॅनॉट मेक हिम ड्रिंक द वॉटर, सारकें. आनी इट इज द पिपल्स डिसिजन. सबंद इंडियान जाला, इट इज द पिपल्स डिसिजन. बट स्टील आय डावट समवेर रिगार्डींग द वोटींग मशीन्स जे आसा पळय ताजेर म्हाका खंय तरी डावट आसा. बट इतलें आतां समज तांचे मॅन्डेट तांकां दिला जाल्यार आय फील दॅट इट इज the people's decision which we have to respect. But secondly, they chitpak जाय की I personally feel proud about my ex-president, that is Rahul Gandhi. I really extremely feel proud about him because इतले जाले, त्यांनी इतले सगळ्याकडे वचून काम केलें, सगळ्या स्टेटींनी वचून त्याने प्रचार केलो, गोंयांत आयलो, खंय वचून तो MP गेलो, UP गेलो, सगळ्याकडे भोंवलो तो. बट लास्टाक जेन्ना आमी हारले तेन्ना he took the responsibility. He said that okay, I take the हे म्हणून of the loss. आणि इतले सेल्फलेसली त्याने काम केलें, इतले सॅक्रिफायस करून तरी पासून त्याने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेतली ऑफ काँग्रेस लॉस आणि ही रिझायन. यू नो दॅट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड spirit of a Congress leader. Though we still feel somewhere deep in our heart that we need Rahul Gandhi, we need him to lead the party. But then such a decision to be taken, you know, आसा ते कोण सोडपाक सोदता, कोण सोडपाक सोदना. पूण त्याने एक मसाल, त्याने एक एक्झाम्पल दिली. आणि वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग हिम नाव इन फ्युचर की दॅट हिज गायडन्स इज रिक्वायर्ड. बिकॉज ही इज नॉट दॅट सूट बूट का सरकार. ही इज नॉट दॅट 10 लाखाचो सूट घालून हांगा वचून थंय वचून तो एक्झिबीट करपाचो मनीस न्ही. तो बारीक लोकांच्या घरांनी वचून तांचे कड पळोवन फार्मर्सांचेर वचून हांवें पळोवन ताणें केलां. बट देन पिपल्स डिसिजन इज पीपल गिव मॅन्डेट टू BJP. सो वी हॅव टू रिस्पेक्ट इट. बट इट इज नॉट लायक दॅट. आफ्टर एव्हरी सनरायज देर सनसेट. So maybe today they are having power. ते कशें जावं ते पावरांत आसूं ते. पूण maybe after sunset there will be sunrise. Our flag will be flying. Maybe it will take time. And if we really work, it's time like that changes have to take place. Certain changes have to, some discipline has to be instilled in the party. बुथा वयल्यान सगळे न्यू फेसीस हाडपाक जाय. जे कार्य बुथा वयल्यान करता तांकां थंय सप्रेस करून दवरपाक शिरी पडना. तांकां काडून ब्लॉकार घालूंक जाय. ओ साऊथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, नॉर्थ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, स्टेटीर हाडपाक जाय. तरणाटे तसे एक्सपिरियन्स जेणी काम दिला, सेल्फलेसली काम केला पार्टीक लागून, सॅक्रिफायस केला, आपले फॅमिली लायफ सोडून दिल्या, तांकां खंय तरी पद दिवन तांकां रेकॉग्निशन मेळपाक जाय. कित्याक आमी पळयलां जायते कडेन मिटींग बीन आसल्यार जे रस्त्यार काम करतात, जे मरतात पार्टीक लागून, पयशे आपले पोटांतले मोडटात, ते थंयच रावतात. आणि ते भलते आसता, यू नो वॉट आय एम टॉकिंग, ते वयर असतात. तशें आसपाक शिरी पडना. जे कोणें काम करता, कार्य करता, गिव देम द व्हॅल्यू and you see how it works. And it's not that Congress is maybe the leaders are gone, but I'm telling you, people are with us. And who is important for us today is the people. Mandate. And that mandate will tell. You got it? Actually, if you go to see, it was Congress who had got maximum seats at the start. And you all know who had said that we will not take, we will not do and all. And I skin it's for the people to see and people to judge.
You have the image of being absolutely fearless and doesn't mince words. Has it done you harm or good in politics? What do you feel?
See, as I told you, we are 3 daughters and I'm the second daughter. And I was always treated like a boy at home. Dad used to always call me beta. And I was always fearless. Because म्हाका हे दिसता तुका जेन्ना तुवें कांयच रॉंग करूं ना, तुवें केन्नाच कांय चोरूं ना, कोणाचें वायट करूं ना, तेन्ना तुका उलोवपाक कोणाचेच भिरांत लागना. but at the same time you need to be humble and down to earth personality. I have got this combination. I am humble, kind hearted, at the same time I am fearless when it comes. केन्ना जेन्ना wrong जाता तेन्ना म्हाका ते पळोवपाक जायना. एक सिस्टम आसता. हांव डायरेक्टली आतां कितले तरी एज्युटेशन केलां. Mahila Congress is rocking. It has rocked last 2 years. Nobody can deny. I've got people in BJP who have come across, leaders telling me, we may be, there's one minister of BJP who directly told me in Delhi when I came across him, when I was going for, खंय तरी आमचे गोवा निवासात मेळपाक जालें. I was having my tea, and that minister told me, I am the minister today in Goa, but I would like to tell you that you are a leader today in Goa, and that was a compliment. So the opposition तुका तेन्ना सांगता तेन्ना, that is the time I felt म्हजे कडेन काला धन म्हणटा तें ना. हांवें खंय तरी बेनामी ओ प्रॉपर्टीज घेवन दवरुना, और हांवें केन्ना कोणा कडेन सेटींग करून पयशे म्हणल्यार इन माय लॉकर देर इज नथींग. वॉट इज देर इट्स ट्रान्सपरंट. सो आय डोंट हॅव फियर. आय डोंट हॅव ब्लॅक, आय डोंट हॅव दोन भाशेन बिझनस ना और ब्लॅक मनी ना. आनी जेन्ना तूं सत्या लागून एक बायलेक लागून तेजेर कोणें मॉलेस्टेशन केल्या, ताजेर अत्याचार जाला, जावं कोणाक रेप जाला, वो कोणाक दावरीक लागून मार पडटा, हे सगळे इश्यूज घेवन जेन्ना मुखार वता तेन्ना आय पूट माय सेल्फ इन प्लेस. आय फील इट्स सी समबडी इज डॉटर. आवय बापूय आपले पोटाक मारून भुरग्यांक वयर काडटात, चल्यांक न्ही शिकयतात, आनी एक फूल अशें कोणाक ट्रस्ट करून कोणाच्या हातीन दितात, आनी यू कॅनॉट सी. एंड वेन इट इज रियली समथींग रॉंग टेकिंग प्लेस, आय कॅनॉट सी. एंड दॅट इज वॉट आय सी. आनी दुसरें म्हणटात ते तुका सांगता, नाटकाय नासतना न्ही शार ना म्हणून एक म्हणप आसा. देज अ से. आनी निंदकाचें घर खंय आसावे शेजारी. आणि there is no city where there is no jealousy. But let me tell you, that jealousy असताच, because I'm fearless, I'm working, I am like, I cannot be stopped, stoppable creature I am. So that time when there's jealousy and I can see some people माझ्या अगेन्स्ट कितें करपाक सोदतात, क्रिटिसायज करता, I will tell you, I would like to say thank you to them. I would like to say thank you to those people who criticize me or who are jealous of me. I love them, I would like to say, because they feel that I'm better than them, or they feel somewhere that there are some qualities that they cannot take it. So thanks to them, and don't worry, I will not react to them. Without removing anybody's names, I would like to say that. And secondly, thanks to them because it gives me more and more energy to go and work for Goans and Goa. You all must have seen, म्हजेर कोणे कितें क्रिटिसायज केलें, वो कोणे कितें केलें, व्हिडिओ काडले, 100 व्हिडिओ काडूं वो 1000 काडूं, म्हज्या गोंयकारांकूच न्ही, पीपल ऑफ गोवा हॅव सीन मी वर्किंग फ्रॉम द केडर, फ्रॉम द ग्रासरूट, आनी हांव म्हजें काम करीत रावता. आय एम अ स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड वुमन. आय डोंट मॅटर, इट डजंट मॅटर टू मी. हांव कोणाच्या पर्सनल लायफान वचना, म्हाका कोणें ना. बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस आय एम हॅपिली सेटल्ड इन लायफ, एज्युकेटेड. आय एम थँकफूल टू गॉड फॉर गिवींग फॉर म्हाका जल्माक हाडले त्या घरांत. म्हाजो बापूय एक एक्स हेडमास्टर जॉन मेंडोन्सा, माय मदर एलिझाबेथ मेंडोन्सा, माय टू आमकां गूड व्हॅल्यूज दिवन वयर काडला पेरंट्सान, आमकां बरी अपब्रिंगींग दिलें, आनी सदांच एक मॉरल सपोर्ट टील टुडे. इफ आय हॅव एनी difficulties in life, my father has been my support, and I've been like his son. So it is there. And fearless म्हणटा ते, even if my father in discussion when I was growing up till date, it may be my father, it may be my husband or anybody, if somebody is wrong, even if they have gone wrong somewhere and I felt that they have gone out of the line, I make it a point, no, now daddy, this is wrong, I feel it should be like this, and this is it, that's it. So that it's instilled from before. It is a born quality of mine, being fearless. लॉट ऑफ एप्रिशिएट करपाक खूब जाण आसा, मोटिवेट करपाक खूब आसले, सपोर्ट करपाक जायते आशिल्ले, पूण क्रिटिसायज करपाकूय आशिल्ली, दोग तीग जाणां आशिल्लीं. एंड दॅट इज लायक देर इज नो मेडिसिन फॉर जेलसी. बट माय एडवाइस टू दोज पीपल इज दॅट डोंट वेस्ट युअर टायम एंड एनर्जी criticizing somebody who is doing good or serving the society. If you can put and dedicate that time, that energy of yours for the people. And most of the Goans who are very active on social media, I've seen people from Canada, Holland, UK telling me that, London, we see your videos, we see your work, your passion towards work, you're genuine. And then there are some guys like, थोडे असतात पळय एक दोग जाण क्रिटिसायज करपाक, जेलसीन, ते म्हाका सांगतात लोक that they know who is doing it. But I would like to say that as I've come across, people have told me, all of Goa knows. All of Goa knows who have tried to suppress me, who have tried to suppress my voice. But let me make them one thing clear, that this voice is Pratima Coutinho's, and this voice represents the 50% population of the women of Goa. And this voice कितलेंय केल्यार कोणाक तो दाबोवपाक मेळपाना आनी एंटायर गोवा नोज थोडे जाणांनी म्हाका येवन सप्रेस करपाक ट्राय केलें खंय खंय कोण एज्युटेशनाक बसलो प्रतिमाच्या अगेन्स्ट कोण प्रतिमाची व्हिडिओ काडपाक लागलो प्रतिमाच्या केंसार गेलो कोण प्रतिमाच्या कातेर गेलो प्रतिमाचे उलोवपाची स्टायलेर गेलो प्रतिमा कितें न्हेसता प्रतिमाचे आउटलूक कोणें क्रिटिसायज करपाक प्रतिमान केन्ना नाल्ल हांव नाल्लाचें एज्युटेशन केलें पर्रीकर आनी विजय सरदेसाय एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर रस्त्यार येवन तेणी मानून घेतलें आनी हॉर्टिकल्चरांत नाल्ल सवाय केले तेन्ना म्हजी मोकरी केली थोड्या जाणांनी ते प्रतिमान केन्ना नाल्ल फोडला प्रतिमा हॉटलांत जेवता आसतलें they've done whole of Goa knows who have done which ladies try to suppress me but and I for myself I know who have influenced them also tanka mukar kone kadile but I would like to say God bless them they have given me more boost and energy to do more good and as long as my God and my well-wishers are there I have nothing to worry about.
Where do you see yourself 5 or 10 years from now?
I am being honest, I have lot of expectations. See, माझे कितें करपाचें तें हांवें केलां. How much I have to serve, I have served the society. How much I had to do, I have served. Those girls who got molested, the ladies who got raped, डावरीक लागून कितले जाणांक मारलां, कितले जाणांक सफर जावपाक मेळ्ळें, खूब त्रास काडल्यात, तेंची म्हाजे कडेन ब्लेसिंग्स आसा. कोणाक लागून there was one police girl, constable who hanged herself, who took poison and died. तेजी फॅमिली आयज म्हाका ब्लेसिंग्स मागता. थोड्यांचे अनवेडेड मदर्स तांकां नांव नाशिल्लें तांकां हांवें हाडून हें केलें तांची ब्लेसिंग आसा जे मोलेस्ट जाल्ले जे सरकारान खंय तरी कोणाचेर अन्याय केला खंय स्कीम तेंची म्हजे आयज म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी ब्लेसिंग्स म्हाका आसा आय मस्ट हॅव नॉट मेड मनी इन पॉलिटिक्स बट वन थिंग आय कॅन से दॅट आय हॅव मेड अ नेम वीथ ब्लेसिंग्स आनी आय फील दॅट गॉड इज वॉचिंग मी अँड द पीपल are the best judges. So I feel God will judge for himself. God has judged it. God knows what I am. But people will judge. And I leave them. I leave it to the people of Goa. And I leave it to God. To, regarding my future. Maybe if they want, if God, the Almighty and the people of Goa want, you might see me in the assembly the next 5 years. Or maybe even in parliament. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have liked this video and want to watch more of it, then please don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe for it. Thank you.